church. Sorry po yung church.
Ito yung church kung saan binalangkas yung ating Philippine Constitution.
Philippine Constitution.
Dito rin nabuo yung kauna-unahang kongreso ng Pilipinas led by Pedro Paterno. So during that time, he is considered to be the president of the first Congress of the Philippines. So dito siya sa mismong simbahan na to binalangkas at binuo. Dito pinagtalunan yung every particular law na ipinapatupad sa kasalukuyan na.
This is it.
Rosa, say hi.
Ng modern technology, but all the pictures inside the premises are all actual photos.
December 18, 1988, ginawa yung Constitution ng 1898. Bumili ka?
No? Binigyan na sa akin yan.
Ay, hindi.
So this way please, class number 3.
Okay.
So, our sincerest apology the other side, naka-off limit sa public. So, this is the last gallery na may explore natin. So, this way everybody. So, ang pinaka-routine natin is, pupunta lang sa dulo, iikot, then, forward dito towards the stairs. So, keep on moving.
Ito yung church.
Take pictures, but make sure na nakakakain mga flash.
This is the church, guys. So big. Tapos nandito yung museum sa loob. Ayun daan. Is this real? Totoo to?
Totoo din.
Papayurano, baby. Ang constitution malolos. Constitution. Hi, sir! Look! Hi, sir! Sir!